Today, I'm going to give you 3 simple website fixes that can instantly boost your conversions. And none of them require running another ad. Most business owners don't have a traffic problem, they have a conversion problem. You don't need more people on your site. You need the people already there to take action. Think about it. If you had a physical store and 100 people walked in every day but only one bought something, would you call the problem marketing or would you call it sales? It's the same online. The goal isn't just traffic, it's turning visitors into customers. That's where most websites fail. Your headline is prime real estate. Fix number 1. You want clarity over cleverness. If someone can't understand what you do in 5 seconds, you've lost them. Ditch the cute slogans, lead with clarity, what you do, who you help, and the outcome they'll get. Fix number 2, you want one clear call to action. Most websites overwhelm visitors with choices. Learn more, subscribe, contact us, 10 different buttons right at the top. A good salesman never confuses the customer. Your website should guide people to one next step, not 20. And then fix number 3, you want social proof everywhere. People don't trust you until they see proof. Testimonials, case studies, client projects, and reviews. This is how you reduce risk. Sprinkle social proof throughout the site, not on just one page. See, the small changes create big results. And most business owners think they need some complicated funnel when in reality, if you just get clear, guide action, and build trust, you'll turn more of the traffic you already have into paying customers. So here's a challenge for you today. Open your website today and ask, is it clear? Does it guide me? And does it prove that I can trust this business? If the answer to that is no, these are the 3 fixes you need to make first.